A major crypto has just lost millions of dollars of liquidity, and this is kind of looking a bit like Luna from last bull market cycles, which went into a bear market, which had a massive black swan event being the Luna crash. This one here is looking and feeling very much the same. And you know this is serious when you have people on Twitter now posting things like, "May God help me tonight. I have suffered great losses, and now I am going to jump from the 7th floor." Like, oh my freaking gosh. This is not good. This is not good. This guy lost a lot of money here. You can see $1.3 million he is down. So you can imagine why this person is feeling this way. But look, Mantra OM, this is what I'm talking about. It has had a massive crash, very similar to the Luna crash that we saw last time round. And I don't know how or why this has happened. But again, this demonstrates how risky sometimes crypto can be. And yeah, this is for sure not okay. The way it's happened is clearly not right. It went from a $6 billion market capital all the way down to $473 million in just what looks like minutes. And yeah, you can see the market is down a bit today, but this is the biggest loser on the 24-hour time frame. We still have some other tokens doing okay and moving upwards, but on the downwards, this is that one that's really standing out and not looking right, you know? So here it is, Mantra, bringing the world financial ecosystem on chain. Of course, all of that means nothing now since obviously something a bit weird and dodgy has happened from the inside. So yeah, just to look at some more tweets here. If you're not bullish on OM right now, what are you even doing? So this guy couldn't be more wrong. What a silly post. I mean, it was probably completely like accidental. He was probably just naturally bullish and then this just happened, right? Wasn't no one's fault, wasn't his fault. But yeah, it's crazy to see how quickly things can change. That is just literally a few hours between, 3 hours between these posts, and look how different they are. Here we can see OM is the Luna of this cycle. 6 billion plus wiped out within 30 minutes. Why did it happen? I mean, that's something everyone wants to know, right? That's something we're curious about. This dude here, he invested 3.5 million into the real world asset token being OM. That investment is now worth barely $200,000, a drop of over 90%. This is so painful that I can't imagine it. I mean, obviously if you've got 3.5 million, you've got a lot of money, right? I have no idea who this guy is, what he does, but obviously he's a big whale. And, you know, it's crazy to see this. He says, "My intention was to support the future of RWAs. I conducted thorough due diligence and the supposed partnerships with a leading UAE property company was a key factor in my investment decision. A claim that gave me the illusion of credibility and legitimacy." So do you remember all these partnerships and announcements sometimes, guys? You know, nothing can be true. You can literally have projects creating roadmaps that don't actually have to happen. So here's a dangerous one. He said here, "If this situation is not acknowledged and addressed appropriately, I will have no choice but to escalate this through formal legal channels. My crypto legal representatives, Berwick Law, will be in touch." So that's pretty crazy. I wonder if that's just a clever plug to plug that law firm. You know, that could be a fake story and then clever. Very clever. Yeah, guys, so pretty crazy. OM crashed 90% amid rug pull allegations against Mantra team. Yeah, it went from $6.21, hit 49 cents. Right now it's at 70 cents. So a little bounce was caught at that very bottom. This is probably one of those coins that I've no idea whether you should now touch it, get in dollar cost average or what. But yeah, look, analysts allege that the Mantra team controlled 90% of the supply. The magnitude of the decline looks similar to the infamous sort of Luna crash in 2022. Past accusations resurfaced, including a February 2025 prediction and 2021 fraud claims from the Wu blockchain. And yeah, this is a lot really, isn't there? It's just, it's mad. What else we got here? Crypto legends. If you do want to become a crypto legend, then yeah, become a crypto legend, get those trading signals, make more money in this market hopefully, and, you know, join my Discord, which is down below, completely free. If you do become a patron, you will get early benefits like stealth launches, early contract addresses, all that juicy stuff. And yeah, in general, it helps support us, we can support you, and hopefully help you achieve time, location, and financial freedom. So that link is down below. It will give you all the things you need to become a more avid trader with more confidence and use your initiative in this market. It's completely free to join. Like I say, the Discord is down below, and do consider signing up over here to the one and only KSEX. And the reason is the fees are the lowest in the market. It's a centralized exchange. There's no KYC required, and the fees being this small, a lot of people won't show you an exchange like this because the fees are so small. It does mean less reward for the person talking about the exchange, right? So I help you, you help me, and that's how it goes. But you can see these fees are minuscule. Spot here, make a 0%, take a 0%, futures, make a 0%, and take a 0.01%. So we can really see those fees are tiny, which will help you save hundreds of dollars over time. But yeah, honestly, my thoughts are going out to people that I've lost now in this mantra thing, because I would absolutely hate the feeling. I would hate that feeling so much. I know I would. And it's unfair that people have got into the token because of an honest sort of narrative at the time and big fundamentals and utility. And then this has, of course, happened and striked with force. So yeah, crappy stuff. Crypto degen roll is only $4 per month, by the way, for those of you that got a bit less sort of budget out there. But yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you very soon, and bye for now. Boost.